Jojo and Lola was walking together in the beautiful forest. Then, suddenly, jojoboo saw a carrot. Jojoboo was very hungry and he wanted to eat the carrot. He went closer to it, but then he was surprised to see a talking carrot.
Look at this, Lola. Yum! A carrot, my favorite snack.
Are you gonna eat it, Jojo? We are already too late. We have to go.
No, please don't eat me. Why don't you go to Thomas and Peter instead of eating me? They are working and needs your help.
Is it true, Lola? Thomas and Peter busy doing something? Well, even if it's true, I can eat you before going. I am hungry.
Yes, it's true. Thomas and Peter both are busy repairing a house, and they are collecting their tools for the work. And Jojo, we are also going to help them.
Okay, let's see what they are doing.
Yes, it's a good idea. I like it. Let's go. Let's go.
Kids, say hello to Thomas and Peter. Today they're going to repair an old house. But before it, they must collect all their tools. Thomas and Peter started collecting tools. These are the tools which is important to repair things. So kids, keep your tools in good place so that whenever you need it, you immediately get it. And do not take your father's tools or he will be struggling to find it. Keep them in good place. Kids, let's help Thomas and Peter to collect some other tools. Okay, kids, now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. No. I can't count anymore. I am tired. Let's stop it here.
Thomas seems very happy to have all the help from Lola and Jojo. And now Thomas and Peter happily going to repair the house. And this is the house which has to be repaired.
Hello, kids. And now we will see how Thomas and Peter repairing the house, putting new stairs and new foundation of a house. A house is much more than just a building. It is a combination of various elements like sturdy walls that provide protection, doors that welcome you in, and windows that let in light and fresh air. Together, these parts create a safe and comfortable space, offering shelter and warmth for those who live inside. Every part, from the roof to the floor, works together to make the house a home. So kids, Thomas and Peter renewed everything. New roof, new doors, new windows, and beautiful flower pots too. And after everything, there should be nice paint on the walls, I guess. What is your favorite color, kids? Green, pink, or yellow? My favorite color is green. Let's see what color Thomas and Peter are going to put on the walls. It's done with the pink color. I like it too. Do you also like it, kids? Wow! Jojoboo! I enjoyed it so much and learned a lot of things. What we are going to see next, Jojo?
Yes, Lola, it was nice to help them and we learned new things. So kids, did you learn something new too? And did you subscribe our channel?
Yes! If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then please subscribe it now. And don't forget to press bell icon.
Yes, please subscribe Toy Tail Pixels or Jojoboo will eat me.
Haha, Carrot, I will eat you. But at the end of the show, for now, let's check what Thomas and Peter are going to do.
Thomas and Peter busy doing another work. And this time, they have to demolish a big building. So let's check it how they do it. I am very curious. second floor! And the top floor! Hi, friends! This is the old 3-story building. It is very old and dangerous. It needs to be demolished. Thomas and Peter using hammer and hammering machine to take all the floors down. But it seems like the old house walls are still so strong. Thomas and Peter started breaking the walls. Thomas has a hammer, and Peter using the hammering machine. They are hitting harder and harder, but it seems like the old house walls are still so strong. And they decided to bring the destroyer. Destroyer is a big machine with a big iron ball that is used to demolish huge buildings. Peter has finished their work and they took down the old building. And now they have to build a new tower in the same place. Let's check it out, friends. Towers are tallest and huge. They are not like ordinary buildings. Towers stand tall, way up in the sky, reaching so high, almost touching clouds as they fly. Made of strong steel, glass, and stone, they're the tallest buildings we've ever known. Some towers are for work, some are for fun, some hold up bridges or shine in the sun. They help people see far, like a lookout view, and sometimes they're homes for people like you. Each tower is different, big or small, but they all stand mighty, sturdy, and tall.
Wow, Lola, that was a lot of fun. I can't wait to do it again.
Me too, Jojo. We always have the best time together.
Thanks for joining us today, friends. We loved having you here. And what about you, Carrot?
Yes, it was great fun and learning. I liked it. And now we are friends. Jojoboo!
Don't forget to come back and see what adventures we'll go on next time.
And if you had fun, hit that like button and subscribe.
Oh, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Wait, where is the carrot? Bye-bye, friends. Now I must go run after the carrot.